In today's video, you will learn how to view token usage on the NeuroQuantum Artificial platform. Go to the top right corner, click on your profile icon, and then select Credit Usage. You will see a screen displaying the total inference credits, which correspond to your chatbot's regular text responses, embedding credits, which represent the chatbot's conversions from image, audio, or video to text, the minutes used, which reflect the time the chatbot took to perform these conversions, and finally, the total credits used. In the lower section, you will see a graph showing the usage of these credits over time. Lastly, you can view the details table, where all credit usages are logged, including the type of process, the model, the execution date, and time. By understanding this section, you can track the tokens you use on the NQ Artificial platform. Follow us on social media as NQ Artificial.